Actually, I don't think it's a bug.
They are. They're dried out.
It's Paige. So I'm inside a store and it's a beef jerky outlet, but I found bugs. This section just says bugs. So I'm going to do a challenge with my uncle and I'm going to try the bugs. Guys, I forgot that I bought this fidget box in a toy store that we went to, so I'm gonna unbox that too. I got too many Pop-Its, but I opened those, so I'll show you them too, but I already got them. And also I got this. I'm so excited to show you. Are you so cute? Awesome. Are you so cute? Are you so cute? So all this makes sense. I'm on a vacation at Cape Cod. So if I say hotel room, that's why. I am so excited for the unboxing and the testing, the food testing, because I'm really excited to eat some bugs.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so I'm back and I got the fidget box. Open this fidget box. I'm so excited. Mini pop. There's a tangle. I've always been wanting a tangle. I can't believe there's a tangle in here. Mini Rubik's Cube. This is so cute. A heart poppy! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And it has the letters on it. 2 wacky tracks. So I already have a wacky track, but this is what it is. I can't believe I got a tangle, a stretchy ball. Marble and mesh. I already have a marble and mesh, by the way. So purple and a lime. I actually have this lime color. No, it's okay. A DNA ball. I already have 2 DNA balls, but this one feels really good. It's an infinity cube. I've always wanted a triple dimple spinner. Because I already have a dimple spinner. But now I have a triple dimple spinner. So I have 2. And it's pink. I love this. I got too many Pop-Its, so I got this butterfly. Oh. Wow. So I got this mini popsicle. It's so adorable. It has a little face on it. Abby's on the hotel bed.
Are you watching her on the hotel bed?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I don't want to do your video.
He's so cute. You've been in one of my YouTube videos
I know, but
before.
my hair's a mess. I'm a mess.
Fine. Can you say hi?
Hi.
She's been in 2 of my videos. This is my Grammy. You might recognize her. But this is Abby. She's playing with my Jumbo Pop-It right now. Oh, yeah, I got mini Rubik's Cube. No, don't. Baby taking over phone. Don't.
Moments later.
Okay, guys, so we are back. Here's my uncle.
Hey.
And we have bugs.
We got bugs.
We have trash right next to us, and I have my water.
I got mine too.
I'm very nervous.
I'm kind of nervous too.
I want to eat the ants first. So we have ant wafers. We have worms.
I said we do the worms last.
Yeah, we have the chocolate dipped. It doesn't even say what it is.
Those are sorted. So you get, on the back, you get the worms and you get crickets.
Okay. Okay, that's scary. And let's do the ant wafers because that's probably gonna be the best.
I would think so. It looks like candy, so how bad can it taste?
It looks like candy. Hopefully it's not bad. Can you open it?
Need some assistance?
Yeah. I'm scared.
I'm a little nervous too.
I don't want to get.
lie.
I don't want to get sick. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Normal chocolate so far. Do you feel it?
No, it tastes just chocolate. It tastes really good, actually.
I'm scared to bite in. I feel like the ant's gonna be right there.
That's really good. I'd eat that again.
Okay. I feel the ant. It's so weird.
Did you get a leg?
I don't know. The texture is really weird. I don't know. It just tastes like normal white chocolate.
Yeah, I agree.
Open. I'm gonna do the worm.
The worm?
I'm scared for the cricket. Can you open this too?
Yep.
I'm scared for the cricket. I don't want to eat it.
Alright.
I'm gonna do. Where's
The
it?
long one's the worm and the little ones are the crickets.
I just dropped that. We're not gonna eat that. What are you gonna eat?
I'll do a worm with you, and then we'll both try a cricket after.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's crunchy.
Doesn't taste any different.
It almost tastes like a Kit Kat. Did you have the white chocolate or the dark chocolate?
I had the dark.
Yeah, the white chocolate almost tastes like a white Kit Kat.
I'm gonna have the white cricket. I'm scared for the
Alright,
cricket.
here's the cricket.
Actually, I don't think it's a bug.
They are. They're dried out. The legs right there.
It's so gross. I'm scared for this. This actually has a pull tab, so it's not that. It's not hard to open. Okay. Wait. It's so weird. Can you open it?
Yep.
I'm horrible at opening packages. I want to eat another ant wafer. Those are actually pretty good. All of them are good. They don't taste that bad, but this one is gonna.
Those were all dipped in chocolate. This is no chocolate.
Oh, they feel slimy. This is.
Ooh, they are slimy.
Yeah.
Cheers. Crunchy.
I mean, I don't really like the texture, but it's not that bad to me.
10 worms down the hatch. I don't like them either.
Yeah. Do you want another one?
I'll take another one.
Still haven't ate the. Oh, I just ate it.
We got a lot of insects in our stomach right now.
Well, we did the bug challenge.
We did. Good job.
I kind of want to try a scorpion now.
Maybe we'll go back and get some more.
Really.
Part 2 coming up next.
Like this video if you want us to get scorpions, because I'm pretty scared for that.
Me too. Especially if they got the stingers. So, that can't be good going down.
Thank you guys for watching this. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And also share this video with your friend and family members. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
See you later.